was like, what the heck is that? And
Yeah.
there he is.
Alitalia 777-200 from Rome. Like, it's Fiumicino, something like that.
Fiumicino.
Yeah.
Airport code LIRF. Nice. Focus, come on, you can't focus today?
In the winter they should happens to be more, but in the summer it's all A340. So there you had it, folks. Air France. Love that. I love the reliability. It's really nice.
So guys, does that voice sound familiar, huh?
Yeah. AA Flyer MIA.
D90. Well,
It's heard the ATC. It's supposed to say it's a 777. So focus on the drive. It's the same registration as the one. I don't know. Could be. But if it is the same registration as the one in Aguadilla, then that's gonna be a comeback.
okay, he's gonna be here soon. There he is, I see some lights. There she is. Actually, I think that's Centurion. No, that's Martin Air.
Can't be. Yeah, that's more.
It has a red tail, so. Centurion is orange.
Yeah. Long live the trijet.
Yeah. I actually have a Korean Air Cargo MD-11 for Gemini jets.
On your airport update.
And I have, what's that? Oh, just, okay.
Well, guys, and there you had it. Martin Air Cargo
MD-11.
Rider. I think I saw one when they operated passenger service.
Yeah, actually KLM retired their last MD-11, which would be the last MD-11 for passenger service.
Wow. Cargo ones are going off the market soon, too.
Yeah, like FedEx, they're retiring their MD-11s, replacing them with the Triple F.
Yeah.
And Lufthansa's replacing their MD-11s with the 777 freighter too. Well, that's the future, G90s.
All the way.
But still, G90s are great.
Yeah. Awesome sound and gigantically.
Well, there goes Martin Air, people.
I see G90s every day.
Yep. TAM. I don't see them every day, but
BA.
wait, BA operates. Oh yeah, they're 777. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoop.
It's Taka,
Martin
I
Air.
mean,
Taka?
yes, sir.
I'm way too tired.
62.
747. And you tell me, I've flown an American a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming from somewhere in the world, Land Cargo 777 freighter. Wow, first time I catch a 777 freighter, first time I catch Land Cargo 777 freighter, obviously. Exiting runway 27.
Oh, nice. There he is. I'm gonna keep filming until he taxis into the gate. Nice.
Take him a picture. That's something you don't see every day.
I took him 2 pictures.
Well, take him a third one. Is he coming to Atlas, next to Atlas?
I think he's coming behind Alice, I think.
Oh, well. Let's keep going.
But you know, he might be turning somewhere else.
Oh, yeah, he's turning.
Still, we caught it.
GE engines, I think.
G90s, yeah. Dash 110Bs. Ah, some person in the way.
Yeah. And, well, go back to your hangar. You need to get to Amsterdam. What?
Actually, I think that's not a credit card livery, but the new liveries, no.
I got the credit card one out of Orlando.
Me too. Aéreas.
Aéreas. Thank you. A flyer. Coming. Sao Paulo, I already said it. 777. 300 off.
Nice. Those trees are blocking. I hate it when that happens.
Yeah.
There it is. I see it. I see it.
Runway 30.
Oh man, I missed him. I thought he was still in the trees. Oh, there he is. Nice. Nice. Gosh. Oh no.